Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey there, if you have the Sony ZV E10 and if you're wondering how you can connect your camera to an external monitor like I did right now, then let me show you. So for this you're going to need the following things. First of all, your Sony ZV E10 camera. Secondly, you're going to need a HDMI to micro HDMI converter. So you may be wondering that Wasay, since the ZV E10, if I show you from the side, has a type C port as you can see, then why can't we use the type C port to connect to an external monitor? Well, you can use the type C port only if you connect your camera to your laptop or PC and you can use it as a streaming device. Well, it's going to use it as a webcam, but if you want to directly connect to an external monitor, the type C port will not work at all, and I have verified using this converter it did not work. So for that you're going to need this HDMI to micro HDMI converter. Lastly, you're going to need an HDMI to HDMI cable. One end of this cable is connected to my external monitor. Now the setup is pretty simple and easy. First of all, you're going to connect the HDMI with the micro HDMI converter and make sure the other end is connected to your monitor. We're going to power on the ZV E10. Now on the side we're going to connect to the middle port as you can see right here, so make sure you connect it correctly, not in the opposite direction, else it will break it. And once you're going to connect it, it should automatically detect it. So here I have connected it, and if I just show you, you can see here is my external monitor and here I have my Sony ZV E10. So you can see it is simply connected to my external monitor right here. As you can see, I'm sorry for the camera angle because I have it on a tripod, but yeah, this is how you can do it, which is pretty simple and easy. If I click on the record button, you can see it is recording, and yet you can see on the external monitor as well. So this can make your life much easier if you're recording top down videos. Since you cannot see the screen, you can see the external monitor. And if you want to change the settings of the external monitor via the camera, you can click on the menu button. Just make sure that you are in this settings, and in setup 2 here you have HDMI settings. If you select it, you can change the output frames and resolution as well. So these are different info that you can play with. But yeah guys, this is how simple it is to connect an external monitor with the Sony ZV E10. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it. If you have any questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.